This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Karen Kemmerer. Stunning custom-built Lakeview home set on 1.88 acres. Located on a quiet dead-end road, this impeccably maintained and updated home boasts quality and high-end finishes throughout. The light and bright open floor plan flows seamlessly onto the expansive deck for entertaining. Gorgeous gourmet chef's kitchen west / massive slab quartzite island, top-of-the-line appliances and large pantry. 3/4 bedrooms, bonus room can easily be a fourth, includes a spacious master suite west / large spa-like bathroom west / soaking tub, walk-in shower and travertine double vanity. Upstairs home office plus a den on main, another bedroom if needed. A truly special property west / nearby neighborhood lake access and Galbraith's incredible hiking / mountain biking trails. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Kemmerer at 360-303-8782.